Hey fam, I am back. Had a wonderful time on that going away trip with the Ravens. Just a little brief. It was super. The police escort, as soon as you get off the plane, take you straight to the hotel. I didn't know that's how they roll in the NFL. But that Atlanta stadium is off the hook. That Mercedes Benz stadium is something to behold. I tell you that. The dome, and they opened it up that day because it was nice and sunny that day. And I enjoyed the game, enjoyed the food on the plane, and all that good stuff. We got treated like we was one part of the team, really. Good trip, like I said, was a recipient of a blessing, so I enjoyed the ride and got a chance to take a few pictures. I'm gonna post, not a few, I took a lot of pictures. So I'm gonna be posting, see if I can get some pictures posted, a little video clip of the police escort and all that good stuff. But I'm glad to be back in the studio. I'm glad to be feeling a whole lot better, pretty much 100% better from the last time that I gave the brief video on the update of how I was and how I got sick, and now I'm a whole lot better. Anyway, I'm glad I have Herb Alpert, Tijuana Brass. This is on his early days. Album covers in great condition. I took the sample from Bittersweet Samba. Just something just to get back into the groove of things, because I was out of, seemed like I was out of sorts a little bit, out of sync a little bit. So this is just a nice little groove just to get me back into the swing of things or whatever. So here we go. Nothing fancy, just a nice little beat. Took some samples, chopped them up, truncate, normalize as we do. Here we go, y'all. That's how we did it, fam. Like I said, once again, fam, just try to make it different. Not trying to sound like the original Bittersweet Samba. Herb Alpert in his early days. The Tijuana Brass. nice samples on this album. Some other things I want to pull from it too, because it's some it got some nice that trumpet sound. Herb is a master of that. Of course, we all know that. And here are the chops. Put a high pass filter on this one just to change it up, give it a little distinct, give it its own little distinct sound. So that's how it came about. Like I said, I'm just glad to be back in the groove of things. Get ready, fam. I'm back at it 100%, and I'm ready to rock, and I'm ready to go with it. So we're just going to let it play a few more minutes. And we're going to prepare and try to get something ready for the next one. Here we go. That's it, fam. Subscribe, like, hit the notifications. We're going to be back at you. Peace out.